These are the Straight Jacket 2007 frames, and they have two lenses. I will be showing you how to remove and install each lens. Let's start with removing. So to remove it, you flip the frame around, you pull on the right or on the top part of the rim and the bottom part as you push the lens out. The lens should pop out fairly easy. You do the same for the other side. You pull the top and bottom and push. So now we're going to install them. So you take the frame and one lens and you kind of push the lens into the groove and kind of push it a little to make sure it's secure. And with two fingers underneath and your thumb up here, you're going to try and push the lens up a little while you push in this corner. And then just push in that corner. And this side, we always do the side that goes to the ear first. So we push this in and then we kind of make sure it's secure and then we push it up and down and then it's in. So to make sure you put your lenses in right, try and move them back and forth. If they move, then they're not in right, but if they don't, then they're secure.